Welcome to another exciting episode of Circuit Breakers. Today, we will be talking about Haiper, an innovative AI video generator that stands out for its remarkable capabilities in content creation. The significance of AI in video generation cannot be overstated. It streamlines the production process, enhances creativity, and allows creators to produce high-quality content with unprecedented efficiency. As we explore Haiper, we will also draw comparisons with another AI tool, Sora, to highlight what makes Haiper particularly unique. While both platforms offer impressive features, Haiper distinguishes itself through its advanced algorithms that enable seamless video editing, realistic animations, and personalized content generation tailored to specific audiences. This not only saves time, but also empowers creators to focus on storytelling and engagement rather than getting bogged down by technical details. By the end of this video, you will have a comprehensive understanding of Haiper's capabilities and how it compares to Sora, equipping you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about incorporating AI into your video production workflow. Join us as we explore the future of content creation with Haiper and discover how it can elevate your video projects to new heights. Haiper has emerged as a leading player in the AI video generation space, thanks to its impressive suite of features that cater to the diverse needs of content creators. Three major features set Haiper apart: video creation, animated images, and repainting videos. The video creation capability allows users to generate high-quality videos from simple text prompts, making it incredibly accessible for creators of all skill levels. This feature streamlines the production process, enabling users to bring their ideas to life quickly and efficiently. The animated images feature adds another layer of creativity, allowing creators to transform static visuals into engaging animations that capture audience attention. This is particularly valuable for marketing and educational content, where dynamic visuals can enhance storytelling and retention. Lastly, the repainting videos feature enables users to modify existing videos by changing colors, styles, or themes, providing a fresh perspective on previously created content without starting from scratch. Looking ahead, Haiper is set to introduce an upcoming video extending feature, which promises to revolutionize how users interact with their content. This feature will allow creators to seamlessly extend their videos, adding new segments or enhancing existing ones without disrupting the flow of the original material. The potential impact of this feature is significant as it empowers users to adapt their content for different platforms or audiences, ensuring maximum engagement and relevance. The importance of these features for content creators cannot be overstated. In a fast-paced digital environment, the ability to create, animate, and modify videos quickly is crucial for staying competitive. These tools not only save time, but also enhance the overall quality of content, allowing creators to focus on their message and audience engagement. Whether for social media, marketing campaigns, or educational purposes, Haiper's innovative features provide the flexibility and creativity that modern content creators need to thrive in an increasingly visual world. To truly appreciate the capabilities of Haiper, let's showcase some examples of videos generated by this innovative AI tool. One standout creation is a cartoon intro inspired by the iconic Transformers franchise. This video exemplifies Haiper aesthetic quality, featuring vibrant colors, dynamic animations, and fluid transitions that capture the essence of the original series. The attention to detail in character design and background elements showcases Haiper's ability to produce visually appealing content that resonates with audiences. The cartoon intro not only engages viewers, but also demonstrates how Haiper can effectively replicate the style of beloved franchises, making it a valuable asset for creators looking to tap into existing fan bases. Another fascinating example is a compilation of strange videos, where Haiper's consistency in visual properties shines through. This compilation features a variety of quirky and surreal scenes, all generated with a cohesive visual style that maintains a high level of quality throughout. The ability to produce diverse content while ensuring uniformity in aesthetics is a testament to Haiper's advanced algorithms. However, despite its impressive capabilities, Haiper does face certain challenges. One notable difficulty is generating realistic representations of fingers and moving parts. While Haiper excels in creating animated characters and environments, the intricacies of human anatomy and complex movements can sometimes result in less than perfect outcomes. This limitation highlights the ongoing need for refinement in AI-generated content, as creators may need to manually adjust these elements to achieve the desired realism. Nevertheless, Haiper's strengths far outweigh its challenges, and as technology continues to evolve, we can expect even greater advancements in its ability to generate high-quality, engaging videos. When comparing Haiper's performance with other AI video generators like Hotshot and Pika, it becomes evident that each platform has its unique strengths and weaknesses. Evaluating the results of Haiper against those of Hotshot and Pika for the same prompts reveals significant differences in output quality and consistency. For instance, when tasked with generating a promotional video for a new product, Haiper produced a visually stunning and cohesive piece that effectively conveyed the brand's message. In contrast, Hotshot's output, while creative, lacked the same level of polish and coherence, often resulting in disjointed scenes that detracted from the overall narrative. Pika, on the other hand, delivered a visually appealing video but struggled with pacing, making it less engaging for viewers. One of Haiper's standout strengths is its superior consistency in visual quality. The platform consistently generates videos that maintain a high standard across various styles and themes, ensuring that creators can rely on it for professional-grade content. This consistency is particularly important for brands looking to establish a strong visual identity. In comparison, Hotshot tends to produce videos with varying quality, which can be a drawback for users seeking a uniform aesthetic. Pika, while capable of generating impressive visuals, sometimes falls short in delivering the same level of detail and refinement as Haiper. However, each AI generator has its weaknesses. Hotshot may excel in speed, allowing for quicker video generation, but this often comes at the cost of quality. Pika, while offering a user-friendly interface, can struggle with more complex prompts, leading to less satisfactory results. In contrast, Haiper's ability to handle intricate requests while maintaining high-quality output sets it apart from its competitors. Generating videos with Haiper offers a user experience that is both intuitive and accessible, particularly for beginners who may be new to video creation. The process begins with users entering a specific prompt that outlines the desired content. For instance, if a user wants to create a promotional video for a new product, they simply input relevant details, such as the product name, key features, and target audience. Haiper then allows users to customize various settings, including clip duration and aspect ratio, which are crucial for ensuring the final video meets quality standards and fits the intended platform. The importance of clip duration and aspect ratio cannot be overstated, as they significantly impact video quality and viewer engagement. A well-defined aspect ratio ensures that the video displays correctly on different devices, whether it be a smartphone, tablet, or desktop. Similarly, selecting the appropriate clip duration helps maintain audience interest. Videos that are too long may lose viewers, while those that are too short might not convey the intended message effectively. Haiper provides guidance on these settings, making it easier for users to make informed choices that enhance their video's overall impact. One of the standout features of Haiper is its ease of use, which is particularly beneficial for new users. The platform's user-friendly interface is designed to minimize the learning curve, allowing beginners to navigate the video generation process with confidence. Step by step, prompts guide users through each stage, from inputting their ideas to finalizing the video. Additionally, Haiper offers a range of templates and preset options that simplify the creation process, enabling users to produce professional quality videos without requiring extensive technical skills. While Haiper has made significant strides in the realm of AI video generation, it is essential to address its limitations and areas for improvement to provide a balanced perspective. One notable issue lies in the text generation capabilities. Although Haiper can produce engaging visuals, the quality of the generated text can sometimes fall short, leading to awkward phrasing or unclear messaging. This can adversely affect the overall video quality, as the narrative may not align seamlessly with the visuals, resulting in a disjointed viewing experience. For creators who rely heavily on text to convey their message, this limitation can be a significant drawback, necessitating additional editing to ensure coherence and clarity. Another challenge faced by Haiper involves the repainting of videos and animating images. While the platform excels in creating dynamic content, the process of modifying existing videos can sometimes yield inconsistent results. Users may encounter difficulties in achieving the desired look or feel when attempting to repaint videos, as the AI may not always accurately interpret the intended changes. Similarly, animating images can present challenges, particularly when it comes to complex movements or intricate details. These limitations can hinder the creative process, requiring users to invest extra time and effort to achieve satisfactory results. If you are finding this video helpful, go ahead and drop us a like and subscribe to our channel for more AI and tech content. It is crucial for users to be aware of these limitations while utilizing Haiper. Understanding that the platform, while powerful, is not infallible can help set realistic expectations. Creators should be prepared to engage in some manual adjustments to enhance the final product, particularly when it comes to text and animation. By acknowledging these challenges, users can approach their projects with a more informed mindset, allowing them to leverage Haiper's strengths while compensating for its weaknesses. As technology continues to evolve, there is hope that future updates will address these limitations, further enhancing Haiper's capabilities and solidifying its position as a leading AI video generator. In this video, we've explored the impressive features of Haiper, an advanced AI video generator that stands out in the competitive landscape of content creation tools. We highlighted its key capabilities, including seamless video creation from text prompts, the ability to animate images, and the innovative repainting of videos. These features not only streamline the video production process, but also empower creators to produce high-quality content with ease. When compared to other AI generators like Hotshot and Pika, Haiper consistently delivers superior visual quality and consistency, making it a preferred choice for those seeking professional-grade results. As we wrap up, we encourage you to engage with this content. If you found the insights shared in this video valuable, go ahead and smack that subscribe button for more updates on AI tools and tech goodies. If you want to try this tool for yourself, check the description box down below to claim a free trial. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to bringing you more exciting insights into the world of AI and video generation. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you next time on Circuit Breakers.